What is your name?
Hi, baby! I'm your Tita Ninang.
What's your message?
I love you. See you soon.
What's your guess?
Excited na kaming makilala ka, baby. And right now, ako lang yung nakakaalam ng secret. Kung ano ba ikaw.
Ano hula mo?
Hindi ako huhula.
Hindi ko pala may alam.
See you.
What's your name?
Anak kita eh.
Message mo sa
What's your message?
Di ko alam kung kahit ano, basta ano, healthy.
Pero ano guess mo?
Siyempre, boy yan.
Boy yan!
Hindi yung kulay nito.
Oh, blue.
Blue yan, boy.
Galing mo naman. Sige ha. What's your name?
My name is Alex Sabater. I live in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
What's your message?
A message to baby, I think it's a baby girl.
Hindi, message mo sa baby.
Hindi pa naman nakakaintindi yun eh.
Hindi, pagtanda niya. Dali, oh.
Sa birthday na lang ng baby pag may 1 year old.
Sa 1 year old na, wala pa ngayong baby.
Sige. Ikaw na
Oh,
Anong pangalan?
Norma Sabater.
What's your guess?
Team Pink ako, kaya alam mo na kung ano yon.
What's your message?
Message, healthy baby.
Next! Sino next? Uy, ano to?
Hey, lahat!
Pangalan?
Wala, Anya Nuevo.
What's your guess?
Team Blue.
Team Blue? What's your message?
maging basketballista. Oh, di ba?
What's your name?
Tita Odette.
What's your guess?
Girl.
Any message?
Dapat volleyball naman, player.
Volleyball player.
Sabi ni Tita Wela.
My name is Margie.
Guess?
Same girl.
Same-
Girl.
Message?
Maging artista ka.
Ikaw dito. Pangalan?
Boy,
Hindi, pangalan mo dito.
I'm Ronald Castillo.
What's your guess?
Boy,
Ano message mo sa baby?
strong.
Strong? What's your name?
Hello, I'm Mommy C.
Guess?
It's a boy.
Message?
O sana healthy boy. At saka paglaki, kasing talino nila. Maging suma.
Pangalan?
Arman. Ito Arman.
What's your guess?
Baby boy.
Any message?
Lumaki, mabait. Galing yata yan.
Kasama yun, lumaki.
Lumaki at maging madasal.
Madasalin. What's your name?
Amanda.
Any guess?
Boy.
What's your message?
Sana maging football player ka.
Football? Ikaw, what's your name?
Lena.
What's your guess?
Girl.
What's your message?
Sana healthy.
LT, ikaw, sino ka? What's your name? Layla, what's your guess? What's your message? Wala? Wala ka kahit ano? O sige. Si Bawi na lang babawi.
Ako, si Lolo Teng.
Lolo.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Kailangang malusog at matalino.
Matalino.
Maging mabait.
Ayan. What's your name?
Haji Sagado.
What's your guess?
Blue.
What's your message?
Message ko, paglabas ng baby, malusog at maging God-fearing.
Eh. What's your name?
My name is Ate.
What's your guess?
I think it's a girl.
What's your message to the baby?
The baby, being a good health.
Good health.
Yes.
What's your name? what's your guess na lang? What's your guess?
Fredo Gadraneyos.
What's your message? what's your name?
Jack.
What's your guess?
Blue.
Boy.
Boy.
Oh, what's your message?
Paglaki mo, pag mabait kang bata, maging matalino, maging malakas.
What's your name? What's your guess? Any messages?
Sana maging ano ka, kasing bait ko.
Kasi Ate Elena, what's your name?
Howard?
What, what's your... Ay, natawag ako. No. What's your name? What's your name?
Elena.
What's your guess?
Girl.
Girl. What's your message?
Congratulations to both of you. I hope na good girl yung ilalabas ni Red. I love you, Nana.
What's your name?
My name is Jester Sabater.
What's your guess?
Babae.
Babae?
Kakamping.
Anong message mo sa baby?
Message ko ay sana hindi magmana kay Jolo.
Ang pangit na sagot. What's your name?
Blue.
What's your guess?
Blue.
Anong message mo sa baby?
Good health.
Nako. Okay na. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Tony.
What's your guess?
Baby girl! Timmy!
Baby girl. What's your message to the baby girl?
Huwag kang maldita.
O ikaw naman, what's your name?
My name is Tito Pat.
What's your guess?
It's a boy! Team Blue!
Boy ka kasi, no? What's your guess?
Boy nga!
Ay, ano nga pala? What's your message pala? What's your message?
Be a good boy. Be a good son to your parents. Yun lang.
Yun lang. Okay, tapos na. What's your name?
Hi, I'm your mommy.
What's your guess?
I think you're a girl.
Girl, what's your message to your baby?
See you soon.
Oh, what's your name? What's your name?
I'm your Lola. I'm so excited to see you now. Girl!
Girl,
Girl ka ne.
Oh, what's
Girl
your-
ka ne.
what's your message?
Sana mabait ka kalupan ni Mama.
Muffin?
See you soon, baby girl.